Hi guys, my name is Listeria monocytogenes, or just Listeria for short, and today I'm going to draw my life for you. For those of you who don't know, I'm a gram-positive, rod-shaped bacterium and the cause of listeriosis, an infection that occurs after eating contaminated food. I often appear as short chains under a microscope. I'm actually kind of a big deal because the overt form of my disease has a mortality rate of over 25%. My favorite targets are pregnant women, their fetuses or newborn babies, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems. I love messing up people's bloodstreams and brains. People usually contract me when they consume food or drink with my bacteria cells present inside them. Once I'm inside the body, I quickly find a vacuole or transportation unit within cells. I have a protein called Listeriolysin O that lets me escape the vacuole and enter the cell's cytosol. Once in the cytosol, I quickly multiply and use a series of proteins, including ACT-A and the host cell's own complexes, to push copies of myself into surrounding cells, thus spreading infection. If left untreated, I can cause all sorts of terrible conditions, like sepsis, meningitis, and death. Sepsis occurs when the human body's response to an infection gets out of whack, and the immune system chemicals released start damaging multiple organs. Meningitis is the inflammation of membranes around your brain and spinal cord. Left unchecked, meningitis can easily be fatal. My other symptoms include diarrhea, nausea, headache, muscle ache, and fever. Anyway, I don't mean to brag or anything, but in a good year, I'm capable of infecting over 1,600 people, give or take a couple dozen, and usually around 260 people die. Hispanic pregnant women are especially susceptible to me, and overall, pregnant women are 10 times more likely to be infected with me than the general population. I'm most commonly found in unsafe deli meats, unpasteurized cheeses, smoked seafood, and other unpasteurized dairy products, etc. I like these foods a lot because I enjoy traveling through soil, water, and animals. Thus, when infected animals are used in food product processing, or when infected soil is used to grow produce, I tend to spread around. However, the main reason why I'm so dangerous is because when I enter an environment, I can easily form a sticky substance called biofilm that can't be removed without intense scrubbing and cleaning. I can get really clingy if food manufacturers aren't careful. The minor infections I cause are usually left untreated if the patient is healthy enough to withstand my symptoms. When I get really serious inside the human body, antibiotics are required, especially ampicillin and sometimes gentamicin. If I'm able to cause sepsis or meningitis, infected individuals will need intravenous antibiotics and prolonged hospital stays for up to 6 weeks. I'm a social creature and love to spread myself around as much as possible. If you really don't want me, you can decrease your consumption of processed meats and cheeses, wash your hands often, clean vegetables thoroughly, and make sure all your food is cooked to a safe temperature. Ladies and gentlemen, my life in a nutshell. But honestly, who cares what's in your food as long as you're having a good time, right? So eat all the smoked salmon and unpasteurized yogurt you want, and hopefully I'll get to know each and every one of you, inside and out.